Black Knight sound and speech boards on the bench again. The client had already recapped the board. Good start. And I used Leon's test ROM to identify that it had a dead processor, as a matter of fact, 6808. Don't see that very often. I guess I'm going to see it more often. Let's boot her up and press the test button. Okay, now let's boot it up and press the test button.
Defend the challenge, the will, you, I, again, slave, cannot, self, enemy, run.
Okay, so I'm going to reboot it now, and I'm going to show that the 5 inputs work by grounding each of these pins individually. Nothing on this pin, and nothing on these last 2 pins. That is correct for Black Knight, so I'm going to get this back to its owner. Thank you so much for sending it.